Welcome to this tour of cabin 9443 on the Carnival Celebration. Now this cabin's an ocean suite, so it's got a little extra space from what you're used to. It's got all the standard amenities. I think some of the decor is just a little bit maybe upgraded. You can see here the wood's a little bit darker than maybe what you're used to. But it's got those round mirrors like everything on the Celebration and the Mardi Gras have. It has a TV at the end of the bed. And remember, these can have two different configurations. They can have the bed closer to the balcony, or they can have the bed closer to the bathroom. And we'll come back and take a look at the bathroom in a minute. Obviously, it's got a nice big TV. It has a little dressing area that you saw there. I like the little decor above the bed there. That's kind of cool. And then it's got this little curtain where you can kind of separate the sitting area from the, I guess we would call it the bedroom area. It's got your standard couch and it's got a little table. There's some more storage in here and another TV, two separate remotes to operate each of the TVs. One remote for each TV. Then you step out onto this balcony that's a little extra deep. Got a nice couple of chairs and a nice place to relax. As you can see, you can store luggage underneath the bed. We really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button so you can catch more videos like this in the future. We really appreciate it. There's 4 little closets that should be more than enough space for a week-long cruise. It has little lights with the USB plugs next to the bed. I want to give a shout out to my dad, Ron Sr., for taking this video for me. He had a 7-day celebration cruise that was, by all accounts, a lot of fun. And finally here we'll check out the bathroom. Now these bathrooms don't appear to be too much bigger than, or if bigger at all, than the bathrooms in the rest of the Carnival and Mardi Gras, the XL class ships. But they do have that nice big shower with the glass doors that everyone's so fond of now on the Carnival ships. So all in all, nice cabin. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.